Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Elehear Smart OTC hearing aids. So if you have difficulty hearing, or maybe you just want to hear a little bit better, these guys are supposed to have AI translation, all that good stuff. So that's pretty cool, pretty excited to test this out. Got a bunch of instructions here. Oh wow, a ton of different little earbuds in here, as well as a USB and a little cleaning brush. I want to get this going, install the app here real quick. So we have these, very tiny. These just magnetically attach to the contacts on here. Down, down, right, left. Let's see, so just like that. One of the lights is pulsing and one is on, so that probably means one's charging and one's already charged. When we open the box, it tells us our display there, like how many bars we have. I'm gonna hook this up to the app real quick. So it's the Elehear app, and then just kind of put it in there, and then you turn it a little bit, kind of get it in the ear canal, and look at that. It's just so tiny. I mean, it's comfortable too. I feel I could wear this all day and not have any problems. It's not gonna fly out too. Very ergonomic shape on here. It's easy to press the buttons as well. And yeah, it's just quite comfortable actually. Both powered on, both connected. Oh, I can hear myself breathing. Let's pull up the app here. The device is connected. I'm gonna click on that. It says it's connecting. Congratulations. Okay, we're good to go. Let's begin. Okay, gently adjust the angle of the earpiece so it's naturally in your ear. It is. Press and hold the device to turn up the volume. So if you want to turn up the volume, you press it and hold it down. Okay, finally, we're updated. Open it back up. Connecting. Okay, tone, noise control, adaptive, moderate. So we'll switch it to that. Advanced, strong noise control, and maximum for very noisy environments. Okay, try sound, volume. Why do I hear water running? Under the Serene tab, you have a lot of different nature sounds, such as rain, wind, birds, and things like that to help you relax or go to sleep listening to. Tone. Let's try to make them both the same. So I'm going to put them on 8, 8. I think tone I want. Let's do 9 on the tone. Balance noise control. It's hard to tell if I can hear. I mean, I sound like I'm louder. I can hear that definitely. Switch to the restaurant, general, television. It's a little bit louder. This is an incredibly in-depth hearing test with the questionnaire and the audiometry. So it's going to give you a ton of different little sounds like higher pitch, lower pitch, and you press the app every time you actually hear it. This will allow the app to fully customize your earbuds for the optimal performance. I'm going to try some music here. Excellent sound quality. It switched to noise canceling, and now I just only basically hear the music. Really good noise canceling actually. Okay, so as soon as my earbuds are done playing, it switches back over to the sound, the listening. And you guys, wow, you guys probably can't even hear me. I can hear myself. Literally I can talk super quiet. So, because the way I'm talking right now, I think I'm talking normal, but it sounds pretty loud in my ears. I'm gonna have my father-in-law try these out if he wants to. Hopefully we can get someone else. He's a little bit hard of hearing, and if we try these, maybe it'll work better for him. I have really good hearing, so it's hard for me to gauge how well this is working. Like I said, I can really hear my own voice really well. But when my wife was like 10 feet away whispering, I couldn't really hear her. And I'm not expecting this to be like some miracle listening device or anything like that. Anyways, I'll have my father-in-law try them, see what he thinks. But first impression for me on these is, yeah, the adaptive noise control is quite excellent. I like how you can adjust each ear for the different volume, and you can customize it with the hearing test and all that. So that's pretty cool. As far as the sound quality for playing music, it's quite good. And I have to say that the noise control is probably one of the better ones I've listened to as far as like the actual noise canceling. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, I'll try to have my father-in-law check them out, see what he thinks about them. I was kind of initially doing this test for him, see if he could use them to hear a little bit better because he has a really hard time hearing. So we'll have him try them on and see what he thinks about them. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on these Elehear smart hearing aids. These are like over-the-counter ones, don't need a prescription or anything like that. So the app is very easy to set up, and it's very customizable as far as for each ear. You can adjust the sound up or down, tones, different things like that. You can use them if you want to listen to music. It has excellent sound quality. The sound, the noise deadening or the noise reducing thing is quite good. So even if you were to not use these as hearing aids, but as other things, like if you're working outside or mowing your lawn, to reduce that sound, the loudness, excellent at that as well. The charging case, it works great. It's super easy to just put these in there real quick. And then because of the strong little magnets, puts them in there. If I had any complaints, they're almost too small because they're, I mean, to get them in the ear and everything like that, if your hands aren't very nimble. So I did gift these to my father-in-law, and he's been using them for a while now. He says it definitely helps with his hearing. He's in his 70s, and sometimes, you know, it's difficult to hear. So I had to help him a little bit with how to put these in, but then he's figuring out as far as the volume adjustment just on the hearing aid. I set up the app for him. He's using it just fine. Says this is helping quite a bit for letting him hear and things like that. So that's really cool. I'm super happy that that was able to help him out. I've been noticing a lot lately. This has been, you know, you say something, they're like, huh, what, huh? So they have to ask a bunch of different times. So these are very nice, very comfortable. They last all day. The battery life is very good on these. It's just super easy to use. Like I said, the app is nice as well. I like that it is fully customizable, because sometimes you don't have like one ear hears better than the other, or vice versa. So you can adjust the volume. Hey, this one's, my hearing's a little bit better than this one. I don't want this one on 10, but I need this one on 10. You know what I mean? So just, it's nice to have that like that. Anyways, I'm really impressed with these. Everything about them is super well done. I have multiple sizes that you can put on the thing, so it's going to fit basically any ear canal. You can make these, adjust these to the bigger ones and put them on. They're very easy to take on and off. You basically just pull them off of there, and then you just slide them back on. Very simple, not difficult at all. If you need to take them off and rinse them off or wash them, very easy to do. They're very snug fit. I mean, they fit very comfortably. They're not going to fly out of your ear or anything like that. Just a great little device here, my friend. Anyways, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. I'll drop this in the description below if you guys want to check out the link. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.